Hey friends, this is Atif for Well and welcome to the new update on the king of all cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin. Almost 3 weeks ago, I shared this video where I told you that the price action of Bitcoin is going to hit $13,500 very soon. And this was the article that I shared in my previous video with you guys. And I shared this article on 2nd of October. On the TradingView, and you can see at that time on the daily chart the price action of Bitcoin was having a very strong resistance, but at the same time on the weekly chart, on the long-term chart, the price action of Bitcoin was at the support of this up channel. Therefore, I told you that the price action can move up to $13,500 because we have the resistance of this channel at $13,500. Now, if I play this chart, at that time it was $10,000 at $10,052, and now it has spiked even beyond $13,000, almost $13,200. Okay, here I want to give you some recap of this chart as well, because this is a very important chart that I shared with you back in April 2020, when the price action after this dump completed this final leg of the bullish Gartley pattern, and I predicted, as per Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley pattern, the price action should move up to this level. And this is a Fibonacci projection of A to D leg that starts from $8,600 and ends up to $12,070. And now you can see that the price action is having a very strong resistance of this level as well, but at this time the price action has spiked beyond this level. Once it will be able to cross up this level, then we can have this 0.786 Fibonacci projection as a very strong support, and the price action may move more up. At this time on the long-term monthly chart, the price action is trying to break out this level. So if we take a look on the daily chart, okay, before this I want to show you a few more articles that I shared in my previous video with you guys, and I was expecting that it will move beyond $13,000. There were some certain signals that I shared with you. One was at the support of the up channel, and the other was the continuation of the different harmonic moves while it was at the support of an up channel on the weekly chart. And on the hourly chart, it was forming the different harmonic moves and had a very strong downtrend line support, and above this support it was forming these harmonic moves. And as per Fibonacci sequence, I predicted that it will be moved up from here, and you can see I played this chart. The price action moved up from here, and at the same time the price line of Bitcoin was also above this resistance level that starts from $11,000 and ends up to $11,150. And this was a really very strong resistance block for the price action of Bitcoin. And you can see that previously it has been working as a strong support, and now it was working as a strong resistance for the price action. And I told you that the price action might retest this previous resistance as a support, and after that it will be moved up. And you can see that it was at that time retesting this support. I'm just playing this chart, and now it can be observed that the price action turned very strong bullish and spiked beyond $13,000. Now, what the price action can do next, if we take a look at the live weekly chart, then the price action has bounced very well from this support of an up channel. And if we place this pitchfork indicator again at the center of this channel, then we can see that the price action has spiked even beyond the center of this channel that was almost at $12,000 or $12,200. I'm just placing this pitchfork indicator, and after adjustment you can see that the price action has spiked even more than a half of this up channel, and having very good support of 25, 50, 100 and 200 simple moving averages. And all these simple moving averages are in a very good order. Like we have the smallest time period moving average 25 above all, then we have the 50 simple moving average, then the bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average, that is 200 simple moving average below all. So this is a complete and open alligator mouth formation that can provide a very good support to the price action. But if I place the Bollinger Bands indicator, then you can observe that at this time the price action is having a very strong resistance of this Bollinger Band as well. I'm just making this Bollinger Band more prominent for you, so it will be easy for you to watch the visibility of this Bollinger Band. And now you can see that the price action is having very strong support of this Bollinger Band, and from the downside the price action has space to move down up to this lower bands of the Bollinger Band. Therefore, the position is bit critical. We need the Bollinger Band, the mouth of the Bollinger Band, to open very soon, as soon as possible. And if we switch this chart to the daily time period, then we can see that the price action is also having a strong resistance of the Bollinger Band on the daily chart as well. So once this is a very good signal that the Bollinger Band is expanding. For example, on the weekly chart, you can see that it is being expanded. On the weekly chart as well, it is moving up, and from here it is moving down. And on the daily chart, it is expanded more than the weekly chart. But once it will be turned to the upside, then we will be confirmed that a long-term bullish rally can be continued. And if it will be reflected on the weekly chart, then definitely very long-term bullish rally can be started after that. But still, we have this very strong resistance of the Bollinger Bands that can push the price action down. And if we take a look on the hourly chart, then the price action is moving in this pennant. In fact, this is a symmetrical triangle and having very good up and down move to the resistance and to the support of this symmetrical triangle. At this time, it is at the resistance. So in order to have a firm move to the upside, for more confirmation that this is a firm move to the upside, we need the breakout from this from this symmetrical triangle and from this resistance of the Bollinger Band as well. Once this the price action will break out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and this Bollinger Band will be expanded more. It will show more space to the price line that it can move to the upside. Then it will be confirmed that the price action can move up to this resistance. Okay, at this time we can see the price action is moving in this angle. For example, if it will be this move will be continued, then it can even reach up to $14,000. Let me just show you more clear. For example, if it will be moved up to in this level or in this angle, then you can see that it can even reach up to $14,000. But we need two signals before that. We need the breakout from this hourly chart, symmetrical triangle, and more important, we need this Bollinger Band on the weekly chart to expand more, to provide more space to the price action to move to the upside. Definitely in next video I'll show some more signals and more indicators that can help us to understand where the price action can move. At this time, maybe the price action will move sideways and wait for the Bollinger Bands to expand more. And after when the Bollinger Bands will be expanded, then there will be more space for the price action to hit this resistance of the channel very soon. That is almost at $14,000. So I hope that you'll like the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.